Hey guys, this is how to solve your account is already registered to another phone in GCash. So guys, first thing that you will do, just tap on your profile and from here go to settings, and after that just simply go to account secure over here, and from here just simply tap on the arrow down pointing downward to your current phone, and from here you will have an option unregister phone, and from here just simply tap on yes and register. And after that guys, you have to take a selfie to verify your identity, and once you have verified your identity and taken a selfie, from there guys you will be able to solve your account is already registered to your another phone by simply doing these steps that I showed you. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.